Today we are going to discuss the topic about single phase induction motor. The single phase induction motor are small motor. This motor have power rating in fractional horsepower range and simple construction used for fan, washing machine, hand tools like drillers, record player, refrigerator, juice makers. This is the single phase induction motor. The construction of single phase induction motor. The construction of single phase induction motor is two different parts. One is stator and another one is a rotor. The stator is a stationary part of the induction motor. A single phase AC supply is given to the stator. The single phase induction motor have two windings. One is main winding and another one is auxiliary winding. And rotor is a rotating part of a induction motor. The rotor connects the mechanical load through the shaft. The rotor in single phase induction motor is squirrel cage type rotor. Then the construction of single phase induction motor same as that of three-phase induction motor. The rotor is same as that of three-phase induction motor, but one small difference. It has single-phase distributed winding. It consists of two parts. One is main winding and another one is auxiliary winding. The air gap between stator and rotor is uniform. No external connection between the stator and rotor. It is the construction part of the single phase induction motor. Shaft, stator and stator frame, rotor and end shields. Now construction. The construction of single phase induction motor is similar to that of three-phase induction motor. The single-phase motor stator has laminated iron core with two windings arranged perpendicularly. One is main and another one is auxiliary winding. The motor uses squirrel cage rotor which has laminated iron core slot it. Single-phase induction motor is not self-starting. It requires some mechanism to assist in the starting process. Types of single phase induction motor. The single phase inductor motor classified in different types, that is split phase induction motor, capacitor start induction motor, capacitor start capacitor run induction motor, shaded pole induction motor and permanent split capacitor motor. Advantage of induction motor. The advantage of single phase induction motor is the robust construction. First point is robust and simple construction. And second point is simple construction of slip ring, commutator and brushes. Then third point is cost of induction motor much is cheaper compared to other types of motor. And induction motor demand very little maintenance. Then no requirement of complex circuit of starting of the motor. Unlike DC motor, it does not produce spark and can be operated hazard environment. Disadvantage of single phase induction motor. A tough control to speed induction motor. Second point is the power factor drops to very low value of lower loads. Then third point is the efficiency also reduced to the low loads that result higher copper losses. Thank you.